That's me.
And your name?
Juliana.
And why are you guys here?
Because we're here to see our baby brother, and he is in that door over here.
Okay.
We can't see him right now because they're trying to do stuff to him and take his temperature to see if he's cold or hot. And then we get to see him and hold him. I think we get to hold him. So, and my sister's going to talk right now.
Okay, go sister.
Why'd you say sister?
Good.
Hi, I'm Juliana. I'm waiting here to see my baby brother too. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why. It's like our first time. We've only seen him in pictures so far, but now we're going to see him in real life, right, Eugene? We really are going to see him in real life because we're going to see him right now.
Okay, thank you.